Good morning YouTube and welcome back to a new week of daily updates across all of the major dollar pairs. Starting off with DXY on the daily time frame, we can see our most recent break of structure is over here, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. Now we are trading after the break of structure line, and we've also just taken out major liquidity on the daily time frame. This could suggest to me that we are going to be immediate term bearish. I think that you could look for a long position from this demand zone, although the higher probability position will be after it takes the liquidity, shifts bullish, and then you could be looking for that long position. Because if we long it from the zone itself, there's no liquidity within this impulse here, and it's not a strong zone because it hasn't swept any liquidity to the left. So that would be my preference. Wait for the retracement down, take out the low itself, see that momentum shift bullish, and then you can enter that position. So what does that mean for Euro USD? If we go onto the daily time frame, we can see we've had our most recent break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. Now, similar to DXY, this impulse here doesn't have any liquidity, so therefore this supply zone is likely to fail and just be a trap for buyers. We want to see the high itself get liquidated, then we want to see that structure shift back in towards the downside, then we can position ourselves in those shorts. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we could anticipate, there's our 4-hour break of structure, swing high, swing low. We could anticipate seeing a deeper pullback, and if we do break this supply zone that's in control, it would create a demand zone that can push us on up. However, this high or even these highs here, when the momentum is this high and towards the downside, could be enough to push price back down. So I'll be monitoring how price reacts to this liquidity high and these liquidity highs to see if we can capitalize on that next short position. Finally, GBPUSD, we can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structure towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. After liquidating the lowest point of liquidity and switching bullish, we failed to put in a new higher high, and it is now more likely we will see this internal break of structure and push price further down. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are bearish after a most recent 4-hour break of structure over here. So this is currently my swing high, this is my swing low. Any retracement towards points of liquidity could be that next short positioning towards the downside.